Hi there, Neil from Richter. Welcome to another video and another amazing van we've got here. So what we've got is an ABT T6.1. The customer approached us. He already owns, lucky enough to own an ABT RS6. So this is a Sepang Blue RS6 Performance running the ABT 700 horsepower tune. He also owns an ABT T6. It's a chestnut brown T6. We called it Cookies and Cream. It's our old demo van you may remember from a couple of years ago. Gentleman's looking to change it up and said basically looking for a new T6.1, can you help us? The idea was to theme it or be inspired by his RS6. So the guys have done some research. We managed to source this amazing Rivenna Blue T6.1. I believe it's one of the best specs in the country. So 204 DSG Highline, electric everything, sliding doors, electric tailgate, LED headlights, LED tail lights, 4Motion, Diff Lock, you name it, this vehicle's got it. So as I say, an absolutely amazing spec vehicle. What we then done, obviously the blue theme matches with his car. We then cameraed the titanium finish on this RS6 Performance to create a colour code. And we've then done the accents on this vehicle in the same titanium finish. So it's like a satin titanium. When the two are sat together on the drive, they're going to look absolutely amazing together. Lots and lots of spec on this. So starting with that amazing base spec that we've talked about, we've then added ABT T6.1 front skirt, front grille, side skirts and rear wing. Bilstein suspension on this vehicle as well. On the rear of the vehicle we added, rather than the T6.1 rear skirt, which would be the obvious choice, we've actually fitted the T6 rear skirt. It has a slightly deeper valance and the four real quad exhaust tips. So that was a particular preference from the customer's previous vehicle, which we've added on. They actually fit perfectly well on these vehicles as an alternative to the 6.1. Side on then, an amazing set of Vossens. There'll be HF3, the tinted gloss black finish, so very, very expensive, nice set of wheels on the vehicle. Inside we've gone to town as well, so first thing you'll notice is the virtual cockpit retrofit. Not only have we retrofitted the virtual cockpit, we've then done the entire lower dash in the titanium black. So it's essentially a Caravelle spec lower dashboard, Caravelle door cards as well. So the whole cabin is in the titanium black as opposed to the kind of beige which comes as standard on the 6.1. Full leather and alcantara interior. Again, we've brought through this grey stitch in both the floor mats and the alcantara to match the titanium on the outside of the vehicle. Finally, amongst other things, we've got the Cooptech Soundbooster underneath to enhance the exhaust sound, and our ultimate sound package. So the Hertz Ultimate Sound Package, including the subwoofer. This particular one we've mounted under the rear seat rather than the driver's seat. Again, these can be tailored to each individual specification. And it's actually got the Hertz H8 DSP. So as you can see, as we look all around, absolutely amazing, stunning spec vehicle. So hopefully that's been an interesting video for you. If you are interested in some of our bespoke work, it's not just normal everyday vans we produce here. If you've got an idea in your head or a concept or a design, please feel free to book an appointment with the team, head down, give them your ideas. We can help source vehicles, design things, that sort of thing. So, the sky's the limit on this. If you've got a bespoke idea, give us a shout, we can create that. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and we'll see you all in the next video.